Okay. Find out adjoint of the matrix here. This is a given matrix. So therefore take this matrix as a A. Okay. Adjoint of the matrix means transpose of the cofactor matrix here. Therefore, first you find here cofactors of each element here. Okay. So find the cofactor of this element. This is in the first column here. Therefore, it is denoted by A11. It is the cofactor of this element here. So 1 plus 1 is 2, even number. Then we take here plus sign here. If it is a even number, take plus. If the sum of the suffix is odd, take here minus sign. Deleting first row, first column. Deleting the first row and the first column. So remaining element is a 4. So it is 4. Okay. Then A12. A12 means cofactor of this element. This is in the first row, second column here. 1 plus 2, 3 odd number. So write here minus sign here. Deleting first row, second column. Deleting first row, second column. Remaining is a 3 here. So write here 3. Minus of 3. Then A21. A21. 2 plus 1 is a 3. Odd number. Take here minus sign. Deleting second row, first column. Delete this second row and the first column. Remaining is element 2 here. So write it 2. Then A22. A22 here. 2 plus 2. 4 even number. Take care plus sign. Deleting second row and second column. Remaining element is 1 here. So these are all cofactors of each element here. Okay. Therefore find here, write the cofactor matrix here. Cofactor matrix of A is okay. Here 4 is a cofactor of this element. So write here 4 here. Minus 3 cofactor of this element. So write here minus of 3. Then minus 2 cofactor of this element. So write here minus of 2. And 1 is a cofactor of this element here plus 1 here. So it is 1. Okay. It is a cofactor matrix. Then transpose of this matrix becomes adjoint of the matrix here. Therefore, adjoint of the matrix A is equal to, okay. So 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 minus 2 1 here. Minus 2 1. It's a transpose here. Okay, that means a transpose of this matrix here. 4 minus 3 is an element in the row, right in the column here. So 4 minus of 3. Minus 2 1. Elements in the row, right in the column here. Minus 2 1 here. Okay. So this is a transpose of this matrix here. It becomes adjoint of the matrix. Just observe this matrix and this matrix here. Here 1 4 elements in the row in the given matrix. Here 4 1 elements in the adjoint of the matrix. Interchanging the diagonal elements here. 2 3 these are non-diagonal elements. Here minus 2 minus 3 means change the sign of non-diagonal here. Minus 2 minus 3. Therefore, if you interchange the diagonal elements and change sign of the non-diagonal element, then it becomes adjoint of the matrix here. Therefore, in general, suppose A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22 is the given matrix here. If you want to write the adjoint of the matrix here, therefore, adjoint of the matrix is denoted like this here. Interchange the diagonal elements A11, A22, these are elements in the diagonal here. So write here A22, A11 here. And here change the sign of the non-diagonal here, minus of A12 here. Plus sign is there, so minus, take care also. Minus of A21. Therefore, interchange the diagonal elements and change the sign of the non-diagonal element. Therefore, this is a given matrix here. Interchange the diagonal elements here and change the sign of the non-diagonal elements. So you will get adjoint of the matrix. This is applicable only when it is a matrix of order 2 into 2 here. Okay. If a matrix of order 3 into 3, it is not possible to write like this here. Okay. It is only for 2 into 2 matrix. Remember it here. Okay. So this is the second example here. Take A as a given matrix here. Find a cofactor of each element here. Therefore, A11 is equal to 1 plus 1 to even number. Take care plus sign. Then deleting the first row, first column. Deleting first row, first column. Remaining here minus of 6 here. Plus into minus becomes a minus. So minus 6 here. Then A12, 1 plus 2, 3 odd number. Right here minus sign. Deleting first row, second column. Deleting first row, second column. So minus 4. So right here minus of 4 here. Minus into minus plus. So this is equal to 4 plus 4. Then A21. A21 is equal to 2 plus 1 3. Odd number, take here minus sign. Deleting second row and first column. Remaining is 3 here. So right here 3. Minus 3 is a cofactor of this element here. Then A22. A22 means a cofactor of this element. So 2 plus 2, 4 even. So right here plus sign. Deleting second and second column, remaining is 2 here. So right here 2. Okay. These are the cofactors here of each element here. Therefore, cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix of A is a okay. That observe here. Here minus 6 is a cofactor of this element. So right here minus 6 here. Okay. 4 is a cofactor of element 3. So right here 4. And minus 3 cofactor of this element. So right here minus of 3. Then plus 2 is a cofactor of this element. So right here 2. So it is a cofactor matrix. Then its a transpose becomes a adjoint of the matrix. Therefore, adjoint of the matrix A is equal to minus 6 4 minus 6 plus 4 minus 3 2 here minus 3 2 and it's a transpose. Transpose is dash here. Dash means it is a transpose of this matrix here. Therefore, this equal to minus 6 4 is elements in the row, right in the column here. Minus 6 plus 4 here. Then minus 3 2. These are elements in the row, right in the column here. Minus 3 plus 2. Okay. So this becomes adjoint of the matrix. Therefore, observe this matrix and this one. Interchange the diagonal elements at 2 minus 6 here minus 6 plus. And change the sign of the non-diagonal. Plus 3 is there. Right here minus 3. Minus 4 is there. Here it is a plus 4. Okay. Therefore, if a matrix of order 2 into 2 here. If it is a matrix of order into 2 into 2, in that case, interchange the diagonal elements here, minus 6, 6, 2, and change the sign of non-diagonal element, minus 3 plus 4, minus 3 plus 4. Okay. Okay, third example here, 2 minus 2, 4, 3 is a given matrix here. Take a matrix as a A. Find the adjoint of the matrix here. First you find its cofactors. So therefore, A11 is equal to 1 plus 1 to even number, take care plus n. Otherwise you can remember this one also, plus minus, minus plus n. Okay, take care for this element, take care plus n. Deleting the first and first column, remaining is 3, 3. Then A12. For this element, minus sign is there, so right here minus. Then deleting the first row and second column, deleting first row, second column, so right here 4. Then A21 here, for this element, take care minus sign, minus. Otherwise, 2 plus 1, 3 odd number, take care minus. Then deleting second and second column, remaining is a minus 2 here. Minus or minus becomes plus here, plus 2. Then A22, 2 plus 2 plus even number plus, so take plus or here plus sign is there, so right here plus. Deleting second and second column, remaining is 2 here, so right here plus. These are the cofactors of an element here. So cofactor matrix of a cofactor matrix of A is okay 3 minus 4. So 3 minus 4. Then 2 2. So 2 comma 2. Okay, is a cofactor. Then its a transpose is the adjoint of the matrix. Adjoint of the matrix A is equal to, okay, here 3 minus 4 in the row, right in the column here. 3 minus 4. 2 2, the elements in the row, right in the column here. 2 2. So transpose of this matrix is the adjoint of the matrix. Therefore, very simple method here. Write the 3 minus 4 in the column. 2 2, right in the column. Then it can write the adjoint of the matrix. Just observe here 2 3. These are elements in the adjoint here. Means diagonal. 2 3 elements in the diagonal. So write it 3 2. And the change sign of the non-linear. Minus 2 is there, plus 2, plus 4 is there, minus 4 there. So that becomes a adjoint of the matrix here. Okay. Fourth example, minus 1 5, minus 3 2 here. Take a given matrix as a here. Then write the cofactors here A 1 1. So you know the rule here. Okay, take here plus sign. 1 plus 1 2. Given number take here plus sign. Deleting first column. So remaining is 2 here. Then A 1 2 here. 1 plus 2 3 odd number take here minus. So means this minus here. Deleting first and second column. Remaining is a minus of 3. Minus into minus become plus here, plus 3 here. Then A to 1, A to 1, 2 plus 1, 3 odd number, take here minus, means this minus here. Then deleting second of first column, so right here 5, minus of 5. Then A to 2, A to 2, take here plus sign. 2 plus 2, even number, take plus sign, means this plus sign here. Then deleting the second column, so right here minus of 1 here, so this equal to minus 1. Therefore, adjoint of the matrix here. Adjoint of the matrix is, write the elements in the column here, 2, 3. So 2, 3. And these two elements in the second column, minus 1, minus 1, minus 5, minus 1. Okay, just observe here, minus 1, 2 here in the given matrix, 2 minus 1 adjoint of the matrix. And here change the sign here, plus 5 is there, minus 5. Minus 3 is there, plus 3. Therefore, write these two elements in the first column, these two elements in the second column, that becomes the adjoint of the matrix here. Okay. Okay, find the adjoint of the matrix here. Here take a given matrix as a here. Therefore, A11 is equal to plus minus minus plus here. Therefore, take here plus sign. Deleting first row and the first column, so write here 2. Then A1 2 here, so take minus sign here. Deleting the first row, second column, minus of 1 here. Minus into minus become plus 1. Then A to 1 here. Then 2 plus 1 3 odd number take care minus n, means this minus. Deleting the second row and the first column, so it is a minus of 1 here. Then A to 2. Here take care plus n here. So take plus. Deleting second and second column here, so write here plus 3 here. Therefore, adjoint of the matrix here. Adjoint of the matrix here 2 1. 2 1 right in the column here. Minus 1 3. So minus 1 plus 3 right in the column here. Then that becomes adjoint here. So 2 3 2 is there in the adjoint matrix 2 3. Interchange the diagonal. Change the sign of non-diagonal. Plus 1 is there. Minus 1. And here minus 1 and here plus 1. This is adjoint of the given matrix. Okay, find the adjoint of the matrix here. So take care. A is equal to the given matrix here. Therefore, A 1 is equal to, so 1 plus 1 to even number, take care plus sign. Deleting the first row and the first column, remaining here minus of 4. So is equal to minus 4 here. Then A12 is a cofactor of this element. Therefore, 1 plus 2, 3 odd number, take care minus sign. Deleting first row and the second column, remaining is 1 here, so write here 1. Then A21, 2 plus 1, 3 odd number, take care minus sign. Deleting second and the first column, so it is a 3 here. Then A22 is equal to, take care plus n here. Deleting the second and second column, so it is a plus 2 here. Therefore, here these are cofactors here. Then adjoint of the matrix here. Adjoint of the matrix is write these two elements in the first column here. Minus 4, minus 1 here. Then next two elements in the second column, minus 3 plus 2 here. Therefore, 2 minus 4 in the given matrix, minus 4 2 in the adjoint of the matrix. 3 1 in the given matrix, minus 3 minus 1 means change the sign of non-diagonal here, minus 3 minus 1. This becomes the adjoint of the matrix. Okay. So find the adjoint of the matrix here. Therefore, take a given matrix as a here. A is equal to, therefore A11. So take care plus sign. Deleting the first row and first column, so write here 3. Then A12 here. 1 plus 2, 3 odd number. Take care minus sign. Deleting the first row, second column, so minus 1 here. Minus of 1. Minus into minus plus, so plus 1 here. Then A21 here. 2 plus 1, 3 odd number, take care minus sign. Deleting second row and the first column, so minus 2 here. So minus of 2. Minus into minus here plus 2. Then A22, 2 plus 2, 4 even number, take care plus sign. Deleting the second row and second column, remaining is 1, so write here 1. These are the cofactors here. Then adjoint of the matrix. Adjoint of the given matrix is write the elements in the column here. So 3 plus 1 here. Next two elements in the column, so 2 1 here. Okay. So therefore 1 3 in the given matrix, 3 1 is the adjoint of the matrix. Minus 2 minus 1 in the given matrix, plus 2 plus 1 is the adjoint of the matrix. Therefore, interchange the diagonal elements and change sign of the non-diagonal elements, and that becomes the adjoint of the matrix.